Do you love avocados? I think I could eat them every day. So this is how I open avocados. First, I make sure it's super ripe. The riper, the better. Then I take a knife and I cut along the perimeter lengthwise of the avocado. Then I put the knife down and I twist the two halves away from each other. You can twist it right off. It'll come right off. And then at that point, I like to take a knife and gently insert it into the pit. Once that's inserted, I can pop that pit right out. That's it. Some people like to hack at the pit with a sharp knife and then pull it away. And I like to do that too, but I like to make sure I have a super sharp knife when I do that. So I'm on this 10-day smoothie cleanse if you haven't been watching my smoothie or snack bowl videos. If you have, then great. Welcome back. If you haven't, definitely check out some of the other videos on my channel. If you're following the JJ Smith smoothie cleanse, just know that avocados are not on the list. But I have one in my fridge and I could just not let it go bad. I had to eat it. You know how that is. Avocados are life, right? So when you're snacking on a detox or a cleanse, you want to make sure the snacks that you're choosing are super healthy and clean. Raw snacks are definitely best, and you can do fruits, veggies. You can also do raw nuts that are unsalted. I like to take a couple of these snack bowls in advance and make them so that I know exactly what I'm having. I feel prepared, and I also won't feel deprived. The last thing you want to do is start to feel hungry, and that's when we start to mess up on our cleanses and detoxes because we're feeling deprived and pass by me with some chips or some unhealthy vegan food, and I might just grab it and start eating it if I feel hungry. So the most important thing is to not be hungry at all. Make sure you're feeling satiated throughout your detox and your cleanse. Also, make sure you're drinking a lot of water on your cleanse. When you drink a lot of water, you stay hydrated, you feel so much better. And the past 2 nights, I've been sleeping like a baby. So tell me, what are some of your favorite healthy snacks? We can all learn from each other in the comment section below. Talk to you later. Bye.